how we take care of our Svaha clothes. Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about something very important. Something that we get asked a lot by our customers and in general, I think it's something very useful. And that is how we take care of our Svaha clothes. I mean, not only Svaha, this is in general like easy to follow rules that will help your clothes to last longer. Okay, so if you already know Svaha, you know the kind of quality that we offer. And if you don't, we are a brand that focuses on comfort and high quality materials like 100% organic cotton or like eco-friendly dyes. All of those things will always make your garments last longer. But if we follow those little tips that I'm about to share with you, of course that's gonna help you to get the most out of your clothes for a much longer time. Here, I have some dresses that I already took from my laundry hamper, and the first thing I like to do is to separate my clothes by color. This is very important because it helps prevent bleeding. Our clothes don't bleed, but in case that you are washing your clothes with another type of clothes or mixing them, it is definitely something that you want to keep in mind. The second step is to turn your garments inside out. The outside of the clothing rubs against other pieces and against the washing machine itself. This helps protect graphic prints, metallic details, embroidery, etc. And also helps protect the color and design since they're not in direct contact with other garments. Plus, it cleans better in those areas where it actually matters, like underarms, the deodorant stains, etc. Mild detergent is best. Avoid fabric softener because it can actually coat the fibers and affect stretch and prints over time. So personally, I skip it when I'm washing my favorite clothes. But that's definitely up to you because I also think that there are fabric softeners that are specially formulated for delicate fabrics. Use gentle cycle and always wash with cold water, not fabric softener, and start. Drying time. Okay, so heat is the number one thing that shortens the life of clothes. So air dry if possible. Otherwise, if you have to use your dryer, low heat is the best option. And they are finally ready. And you guys, look at my helper here. So cute. And now that they're ready, I'm gonna start turning them right side in. And I just wanted to say, in general, don't forget that this is clothing made to be worn, enjoyed, shown off, and loved. So it's normal for it to not always look 100% new, but honestly, with the quality that Svaha offers and these little tips, you will be able to get the most out of your pieces. And normally these dresses are ready to wear, they have no wrinkles, but in case that they do, what I actually recommend is to steam them. This is normally gentler on fabrics, especially on delicate ones like organic cotton. It helps remove wrinkles without applying direct heat. Plus, steaming is quicker and helps the fabric maintain its shape and softness. If you like this video, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And also, let me know in the comments if I missed something, if you have maybe another tip that you would like to share with us. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.